Welcome guys. In 3 minutes I'm going to show you the best way to sell your digital products online. I'm just going to show you how you can create your account with a platform where you can easily sell your digital products online without stress. So stay with me guys. In 3 minutes I'll be done with this video, so you have to watch the video to the end where I will share to you the link on how to sign up. So you just click on start selling now. When you click on start selling now, this page pops up, and then all you need to do is to fill in your details. So let's say I'm filling my name, which is, let's just say I'll just use Emmanuel as my first name, and I'll use Moses as my last name. Then I'll put in my email address, then put my password. Just have to add my password to it, and then when you're adding your password, you must ensure that at least you have a digit attached to your password, like or an alphanumeric, to make sure that it will easily go from here. So when you do that, you click on sign up, you accept the terms and conditions, click on create account. So when you click on create account, this page comes up, and then this page, as you can see here, the first module we have there, or the first icon we have there, is I'm a creator. The second is I'm an affiliate marketer. Then the last one is I'm a customer, right? So we're going to create for I am a creator, and these affiliates you can create for an affiliate marketer if you want to be selling other people's products in this particular platform. But the reason for this tutorial is to create for a creator. So let's create an account for a creator. All right, so when you click on that, it takes you to this page where you have to fill in your gender. You select your gender, male. Then you just fix in your date of birth. Ensure that the date of birth you're using is very correct. All right, make sure it's very correct, because you have to do verification when it's time for you to cash out, for you to withdraw your sales, your money. So I'm just going to put in a random date of birth here, and I will click save after putting it. All right, ensure that you verify your email immediately you get to this page. All right, or when you're done, you can go back and verify your email. All right, so the next thing we're going to do now is to add our bank details. All right, adding our bank details so that when we want to get paid, they will pay directly to our bank account. All right, and remember that when you add your bank details, ensure that that details is very correct, because when it's time for you to withdraw, that's what they will pay, that's where you will withdraw to. And then when you click on add your bank details, there's something I want to show you. Before we go ahead, let me just add my bank here. I'm using OPay, and then I'll just add a wallet digit number. Let me add the digit number, which is like my bank account. All right, so before you click on verify account, please, I want you to check on something. Now look on top there, you see where they say after you make up your first sales or whatever, there's going to be a KYC for you. All right, that is know your customer. They will check if your details are correct, so you're just going to do a verification. So now I'm trying to verify that account number which I submitted, and boom, as you can see, my name has appeared, Emmanuel. Right, that is correct. So I'll just click on continue. All right, you click OK. All right, that's all. You go to the next page. Now, if this is interesting, do not forget to subscribe, because the next video I'm going to show you how you can create your digital product and start selling. And the next video is going to show you how you can make money even while you're selling your digital products on this particular platform. All right, thank you for waiting, and then next video is coming up soon. Bye bye.